Hello my crafty friends and welcome back to another card making video. Today I'm playing with foiling and this is the Glimmer hot foil kit by Spellbinders for the month of November. It comes with a bunch of leaves and sentiment in one plate, and then you also get the dies to cut out all these designs, and if you noticed, all the dies are connected, which means that you can cut out your designs with one passing through your die cutting machine. Now for foiling I decided to go with blue foil today, and I'm placing the blade and the foil on top of a white piece of cardstock. Now my platform is already warm, so I'm going to create my sandwich and then press the little button and wait until it stops flashing. I'm transferring the platform on my platinum die cutting machine. I always like to run it a couple of times. I do take my time to allow for the pressure to help that good impression of the foiling. And then let's peel it off and see what we get. You will find out that you get a bunch of leaves, flowers, as well as the sentiment at once. And now on top I can place the dies, and this is going to cut out all the designs at once. I'm going to secure it down with a little piece of washi tape. And you end up with a bunch of elements that you can play with to decorate the card front. So I'm going to use Indigo cardstock from the Spellbinders cardstock collection, and I cut it out to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then to make my card more interesting, I do have a set of dies that cut out these lace designs, and I believe these are from an older Spellbinders kit. Not sure if they are still available. If they are, you will find a link below. But in any case, you can easily recreate the same design by using any dies that cut out lace designs. So I am sticking these down to have that beautiful decorative edge. And I'm using my scissors to cut off any excess and keep this panel neat. Now since I did cut out this design from the bottom, once I place it on top of my card base, you will be able to see a little bit of that white peeking through. And now it's a matter of using all the foiled elements to create a little composition and decorate the top part of my panel. Now for some of the elements I'm using foam tape at the back so that I get some dimension. For others I'm just going to glue them directly on top of my card base so that I have a couple of layers going on there. For the sentiment I'm adding a very thin strip of foam tape at the back, and I will place it on the white part of my card at the bottom of the design. And finally, some finishing touches, I'm just adding a few gems. And here are some close-up photos on the card for today. Just like always, you will find the links to everything I used down below in the description area. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope that you had fun, that you got inspired, and I'll see you all next time.